What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up BoxTrapper in cPanel, a spam protection tool that puts senders through a simple verification process before their emails land in your inbox. If you're tired of spam and don't want to risk losing legitimate messages, this tool can help. If you set it up the right way, that is. Let's jump in. Before we begin, make sure that you have a RackNerd shared or reseller hosting plan and have access to your cPanel. This guide assumes that you have a domain and email that are already connected. If you're not yet hosting with RackNerd, visit racknerd.com and grab a plan that fits your needs. Now, let's get started. Inside of cPanel, scroll down to the email section and click on BoxTrapper. You'll see a list of email accounts along with their current BoxTrapper status. In our case, admin@racknerdtv.com, info@racknerdtv.com, and RackNerdTV are all currently disabled. To enable BoxTrapper, click Management next to the email address you want to configure. Let's go with admin@racknerdtv.com. Here you'll see an overview of all the configuration options for BoxTrapper. At the top, cPanel recommends using the spam box from spam filters for reducing server load and limiting backscatter to fake addresses, which is always a smart move. But for now, we're focusing on BoxTrapper. You'll notice that the current status is disabled. Go ahead and click Enable to turn it on. Once enabled, BoxTrapper requires email senders not already on your whitelist to reply to a verification message before their email is delivered to your inbox. This helps cut down on spam and ensure real humans are getting through. But here's the deal. You need to check your BoxTrapper queue often. That's where unverified emails go, and if you ignore it, you could miss important messages. Within the Manage interface, there are several important configuration areas. Settings allows you to choose which email addresses use BoxTrapper and define how long to retain logs and queue messages. Edit confirmation messages lets you customize the response messages that get sent to people who reach out to you. So if you want to personalize your challenge message, that's the place to do it. Edit white, black, ignore list is where you manage trusted or blocked senders. Add safe contacts to your whitelist so they bypass the verification entirely. Forward list allows you to forward all approved messages to a secondary email address automatically, which is useful for keeping a backup of clean messages. Review log gives you a daily overview of all messages processed by BoxTrapper, and it's great for auditing email activity. And finally, the review queue option lets you see your emails that are still waiting for verification. This is where you'll receive legit emails that got stuck, so don't forget to check it regularly. And that's how you set up BoxTrapper in cPanel. It is a great tool to fight spam, but remember, it's only effective if you actively manage your whitelist and queue. If you use it correctly, it can bring back control to your inbox. This feature is included with all RackNerd cPanel hosting plans, so if you're not already hosting with us, check out racknerd.com for fast, affordable, and reliable hosting. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to RackNerd TV for more cPanel tutorials and hosting tips. With that said, talk soon.